Well, as we have been following the severe winter weather alert for you here around the clock, things are changing yet again here as we head closer to midnight.
We're at the 24-hour mark. It was this time last night we started seeing that heavy rain push in, and we're not done yet. And unfortunately, we still have more rain to go, even though the bulk of this storm fell this morning and our rivers are bearing the brunt of it. You can see out there right now, so far, we've picked up well over 2 inches of rain in multiple locations, and these are just the reporting stations. We've had other reports outside of the airports where we've gotten 2.8, 2.7 inches, and of course, we've still got more that we're going to be tacking onto that. So that 2 to 3 inch range that we were forecasting looks like it is going to verify by the time this is all said and done. Down to the south in Ohio and Indiana, still a lot of moisture left to go, especially this slug that looks like it's going to hit the south and metro zones here in the next few hours. And it's not all liquid yet or all snow. We are hoping that this would transition to snow and at least put that freezing rain threat to bed, but still seeing some mix moving through parts of Ann Arbor and Washtenaw County. Hopefully it's cold enough that that sleet, the stuff that bounces, and not the freezing rain, which is liquid and then freezes on surface. You saw all those rainfall totals. These are the forecast flood stages for the rivers across the area. Notice that there's some red dots that indicates moderate flooding that is going to be forecast. Some of these rivers, like the Clinton River at Clinton Township, already starting to recede. Others, especially the River Raisin in Lenawee and Monroe County, are only going up. This is the forecast for the River Raisin at Dundee, and check this out. It's going to be rising all the way through the middle of next week, not going to be cresting in that moderate flooding range until we get into Wednesday, and then it's going to start falling on the backside of the week. So as Sandra mentioned, we've got all this water out there, and as we head into tomorrow, temperatures definitely cooling. How cold will it get tomorrow? We start below freezing. Will we finish there? Well, in the metro zone, some spots will get above 32. Not by much. Downriver, you'll see 35, maybe as warm as 37 by the end of the day in Luna Pier, but generally mid-30s here in Lenawee and Monroe County. West zone numbers, a lot of spots not getting above freezing at all, especially in Howell, parts of Genesee County, only 20s there. Our north zone, you're looking at 20s, maybe 30 for a high. But as we start cold, we start seeing the mild air come in the middle of the week. So 40s come back on Monday and stay with us through Wednesday. Watch what happens, though, as we get through this week. A very active pattern. We see multiple waves. Wednesday, we could get a decent shower, maybe a 1/10 quarter of an inch. But by next weekend, we've got another system moving in, and that one could be packing a punch. We could be seeing more than an inch of rain with that as we get into the weekend. Still seeing some gusts out of the northeast. They were going to be shifting to the northwest as we get into tonight, and that will end the flood threat on the east side, which is good news. 30 degrees tonight, highs tomorrow, as you saw in the 4-zone forecast at 34. 7-day forecast takes us into next week. Yes, there's mild air, but there's some rain, especially by next weekend. Hopefully we can get a lot of these rivers down before all that rain comes back next.